Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache for TradingView application on your phone, which helps fix lag, bugs or loading issues. So let's get started. First, go to your phone settings. Now tap on apps and notifications. Now tap on the search icon at the top right corner of your screen and search for TradingView app. Tap on it. Next, tap on storage and cache. Now tap on clear cache. Make sure not to tap clear storage unless you want to reset the entire application. Your cache will now be cleared. And that's it. You have now cleared your TradingView app cache, which should help if you are facing freezing or slow loading issues. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more simple tech fixes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.